non-competing entry.
Wala po. Mas ganun nga po. Wala ma'am. Oh, wait po ma'am. Sige po ma'am.
Universidad de Santa Isabel, Nagas City. Non-competing bonded majorates. University President, Sister Teresita Abastillas, DC. Director, Student Development Scholarship in Linkages, Dr. Virginia Reyes. OIC ACAT Director, Mr. Randy Salvani. Majorist Leader, Nicole Paga. Band Leader, Angela Maria Displana. Band Directors and Majority Moderator, Mr. Alexi Dato. Majority Trainer, Mr. Carlston Nagal. Ladies and gentlemen, the Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City Special Participation. Non-competing.
di Santa Isabel, Naga City. Adugang formaltang ubugasan ang satuyang competing secondary schools. Entry number 1. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated. La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. CAD Mixed Company with Majorettes. School Head, Sister Josie T. Tangkag, OSA. Principal, Miss Jocelyn L. Malinaw. Corps and Staff, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerome Talagit, Corps XO S3. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel A. Añedo Amido. S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Angelica Ibarreta, S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kate Antonia Medina, S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sean Felix Bailon, S5, Major Leader Francesca Steph Canyeba, Band Leader Sean Carvey Villeca, Company Commander Cadet Captain Rez Marion Fidelino, Company XO Cadet Captain Yons Crescin Joyce Berinya, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Bien Luis Deme Rodriguez, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Margaret Ishana Malitaan, CAT Facilitator Mr. Abiel Raymond Ramos, Band Coordinator Mr. Chapet Briones, Major Trainer Mr. Larry Taduran, Band Master Trainer Mr. Arlie S. Galvez, Color Guard Instructor Mr. Rafael Pakagan. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated, San Francisco, Iriga City. Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated. Next entry, entry number 2, 1F Tribino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. President, Principal Perry O. Coruno, Corps and Staff. John Dexter E. Roman, Corps Commander. Clark Joven Candelaria, Elijah Bazar, S1. Jude Enrico Castillo, Core S2. Lindsay Luisa Cabiles, Core S3. Gerald Salditos, Core S4. Major Leader, Jodily Amis, Band Leader, Floyd Cedrix Medes, Company Commander, Russell Pisino, Company XO, Edmundo C. Jr., First Platoon Leader, Boys Jerome A. Umbao, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Kisha May Renehen, CAT Facilitator, Melody C. Espirito Teacher 1, Band Advisor Coordinator, Julius Cesar Iraula, Major Trainer, Mark Jason Navales, Band Master Trainer, Raymark De La Cruz. Assistant Papi Facilitator, Brian Ravago. Assistant Band Advisor, Coordinator, Hadeline A. Castillo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge City Councilor Gail Abranel Gomez and Jefferson Felix. Also, ASDS Fernando Boy Macaraig. And also City Councilor Ason Piñaplo. We would like also to acknowledge City Councilor Sunny Raniolo.
Thank you. Entry number 2. 1F Trevino Memorial High School from Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 3. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Pao, Camarines Sur. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated. Principal, Maria Eusebia Gait Quiñones, Core and Staff, James Werrell I. Blanquera, Core Commander, Maria Josefa Shaina I. Blanquera, Core XO, Masaki Fukita, Core S2, Kyle Angelo Moncayo, Core S3, Nicole Adeline Taduran, Core S4, Natalie Nicole Bisinyo, Core S7, Major Leader, Nika B. Baksain, Band Leader, Dwight Howell B. Carmona, Company Commander, Tarak Givin Rivera, Company XO, Loy Paz, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Mark Berry, Aim Angel, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Luis Rian de la Rama, CAT Facilitator, William Jefferson B. Botor, Band Advisor, Mark Nels Madong, Major Trainer, Emil M. Maestrado, Band Master Trainer, Albert Plazo. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Baao, Camarines Sur. 3. From Rosary School Incorporated from Bao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 4 from Pararao High School, Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Pararao High School, President Principal School Head Marieta R. Villaflor, Core and Staff Cristal Bay Soliman, Core Commander John Adrian C. Lazaro, Core S1, John Paulo El Carte, Core S2, Mark Luigi Di Villa, Core S3, Johnny Fajardo, Core S4, Majors Leader Junashal Permido, Band Leader Omar Florin, Company Commander Cadet Major Marvin Mibato, Company XO Cadet Captain Aljon Banya, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Henderson Murada, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Shane Salcedo, CAP Facilitator Lawrence B. Diaz, Band Coordinator Mary Kathleen Lurin, Major Trainer Jose Apollo Ray Vivar, Band Master Trainer Christian Adrian Batan, June Mar Batan. Entry number 4, Pararao High School, Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur.
Nagalang mo sa dalawa? Ha?
Palitan natin.
Thank you. Entry number 4, Pararao High School from Balatan, Camarines Sur.
Ha?
Next entry. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Principal, Pamida L. Ebora. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Core and Staff, Cadet Major Axel Zander R. Prado, Car Commander, Cadet Major Mario A. Camaro Jr. S1, Cadet Major Dave Kent Orjales S2, Cadet Major Cadet Major Micaela Arceno S3, Cadet Major Mike Gabriel Gabiazo S4, Cadet Major Ariana Clarity B. Talay S5, Major Leader Mary Hazel Siguenza, Band Leader Jamel Khan Nicolas, Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Kenneth Lack, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J.P. Lack, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Renzel J.P. Tuazon, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Eureka May O. Nacion, CAT Facilitator, Edmar Patricio, Band Advisor, Elmar Paro, Major Trainer, Joanne Ayaridota, Nia Jane Aguilar, Band Master Master Trainer Marlon Delfino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.
Ang tawag sa 3-1. Tapos, ang single.
Hindi bali apat yan. Hindi bali apat. Tatlong round. Ay, tatlong round lang yan. Itutok. Tatlong round lang yan. Tayo. Ay, kanay. Ay. Ayak mo.
Thank you. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Next entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur, School Head, Wenceslao P. Santiago.
Okay na.
We'd like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Attorney Buddy Del Castillo, sir. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from Bula, Camarines Sur, Corps and Staff. Cadet Major Hazel Y. Basagre, Corps Commander, Cadet Captain Roland Arales, Cadet Captain Hasmin R. Camaldera, Cadet Captain Hannah Faye Tataro, Cadet Captain Kenneth Baroga, Cadet Captain Ken Nagorog, Major's Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Chinky Pentecostes, Band Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant D.P. Alcuetas, Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Justine P. Mortel, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Ronald A. Lucilo, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Rizel P. Hertes, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angel Joyce Paliega, CAT Facilitator, Mark CAT Facilitator, Mark John I. Francisco, Band Advisor, Eric Buang, Jeremy Fuliero, Janet Arales, Chinky Azuela. Band Advisor, Corina Laresa, Jenny De Silva, Aramay Di Loyola. City Coordinator, Gian Javier, Karen Olieres, Ros Samer Obinya. DLC Trainer, Christian Idrian B. Batan. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur.
Mike.
School from La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School, Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. School Head, Nerio Milano M. Sibulo, Principal 1. Entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School. Corps and Staff, Kate Lieutenant Colonel Natasha Lenet Mayras, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Mary Gail Campaling, S1. Cadet Major Gerald Averos, S2. Cadet Major Prince Marcaida, S3. Cadet Major Francis Kyle Fabiliare, S4. Cadet Major Grace S. Alvaro, S5. Major's Leader Jayons F. Dibilen. Band Leader Princess D. Trinidad. Company Commander Althea Jane Briones. Company XO Alexis Morfe. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Zuriel Garcia. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Alin May Paulo. Second Platoon Leader Gideon Bearer. Cadet First Lieutenant Alin May Paulo. Michael Rectin. CAT Facilitator Romulo Aguilion. Band Advisor Christian Roy Carino. Mayor Grace P. Santa Ana. Majors Coordinator Edward Angelo Sortido. Band Master Gil Del Rosario. Color Guard Instructor Cedric Federio. Drumline Instructor Dexter B. Jess. Entry number 7, Kamaligan National High School from Kamaligan, Camarines Sur.